You're drowning in a sea of cookie banners, getting stalked by analytics. Selling your soul is not a price comparison. Meet Navattic. Demos that make you click, not cringe. Easy notes, organized search. Goodbye creepy, hello clarity. Let's begin by exploring onboarding. Onboarding, like a thrilling ride through settings and pop-ups. We're on the website. Click, try for free. Enter your email. Click, continue. Enter the verification code. Click continue. Enter your name and how you heard about us. Click next. Pick some options for use. Click next. Name your workspace. Click create. Explore the dashboard. Logging in. Oh good, another password to forget. We're on the website. Click sign in. Enter your email. Click continue. Enter the verification code. Click continue. You're now on the interactive demos dashboard. Product demos. Wow, innovative. No one's ever seen this before. We're on the product page. Click next. Next, view the second step. Then select the web platform filter. After that, choose the AI category. Finally, submit feedback or close the form. Let's check out adding a collection. Start by adding a new collection. Next, pick an option from the drop-down. Then, click to browse for files. After that, upload your selected files. Finally, view your new collection with uploaded captures. Let's check out editing a demo. On the project page, click Edit. Next, in the editor, open the modal drop-down. Then, select Tooltip from the options. Finally, the element type changes to Tooltip. Now let's look at updating a mobile version. Select the Mobile Swipe Demo option. Next, click to edit the Mobile Swipe Demo. Then, expand the first step to edit. After that, upload an image. Finally, check the updated mobile preview. Moving on to sharing a demo link. Click the Share button to generate a link. Next, copy the link from the sidebar. Finally, the link is copied to your clipboard. Now let's try updating demo settings. Access the settings from the main dashboard. Next, select Settings from the drop-down. Then, toggle Full Screen in the sidebar. Finally, configure the position or close the panel. Now let's look at updating a title. Click Edit to change the project title. Next, click Publish to finalize changes. Then, proceed with the product tour. Moving on, the demo is published, highlighting the next step. Up next, switching to list view. Switch from grid to list view. Then, view the Marketing Inspiration Workflow collection. Up next, filtering by category. On the Analyze page, click the drop-down. Then, pick the option for sharing links. Next, view updated metrics for the share link. Up next, filtering by date. Start on the dashboard. Next, open the date filter. Then, see filtered data. Finally, view recent visitor details. Moving on to adding a label to demo. On the dashboard, click the More Options icon. Next, select Labels from the menu. Then choose the Marketing's Demo label. Finally, the label is applied, and you're ready for the next task. Now let's try pinning a demo. Archive the demo, then create a new demo. Up next, archiving a demo. Archive the demo. Confirm archiving. Demo archived successfully. Compare demos. Because one isn't confusing enough, access the main dashboard. Next, view analytics data. Then, open the comparison dropdown. Finally, prepare to select demos for A/B comparison. Pipeline impact. Like Domino's, but with your budget. Access the Pipeline Impact dashboard for detailed analytics. Next, scroll to view account details. Finally, explore top accounts influenced by demos. Settings, where indecision gets an official panel. Explore integrations with services like HubSpot and Salesforce. Then, manage or add playbooks. Now let's look at disabling Copilot AI. Disable Copilot in settings. Copilot is now off, confirmed by a notification. Let's check out updating workspace logo. In the general settings, click Replace. Then, select a new logo and hit Save. Finally, see your updated workspace logo confirmed saved. Now let's try adding labels. Click to add a new label. Enter a name and choose a color. Create the new label. See your label added successfully. Now let's try adding a property. Start by clicking the Add Property button. Next, enter the label. Then, click Add Property. After that, see your new property listed. Up next, adding a hidden domain. Exclude specific domains in settings. Next, click Add to Exclude. Then confirm Domain Excluded. Moving on to adding an interest. On the Interests page, add your first interest. Next, enter a name for the new interest. Then, confirm the creation of this interest. After that, see the new interest listed. Moving on to invite a member. Click Invite Member. Then, upgrade to add more members. Now let's look at member profile detail. On the members page, select more options for Alex Smith. Next, choose Profile. Then, view the user's profile details. Finally, check integration settings and preferences. Let's check out updating profile. Go to Settings and click User Profile. Next, update your name, photo, or department. Then, upload a photo or cancel if needed. After that, click the Department drop-down. Pick your department. Moving on, see your profile updated with the new department. Updating themes, because one color wasn't enough. Access themes from the dashboard. Edit the dark theme. Customize and publish changes. Return to the themes list. Visitors, the people who accidentally found your site. On the visitors page, click the Sort drop-down. Pick a sorting option. Now sorted by name, click to reverse order. List is descending, click again. Finally, view sorted names with city data added. Here's how searching visitors works. Search for visitors. Next, view filtered results. Up next, visitor details. See who's visiting your website. Next, explore Alex Smith's activity log. Then, dive into the marketing campaign details. After that, view session and conversion events. Finally, access Alex's device properties and technical data, creating a form. Finally, your true calling in life. Build your form and see submissions. Next, check the Submissions tab. It's empty. After that, refresh to see new entries. Playbook. Because guesswork is a solid strategy. Visit the Product Demos page, then explore playbooks to create or use templates. Searching Navattic. Because Keytrel plus F was too easy. On the dashboard, click the search field. Next, a search modal appears. Enter a term. Then, there's no result. Try another term. After that, a matching project appears. Click it. Finally, view the project's flows. Feedback. Because everyone loves unsolicited advice. Select Chat with Support. Then choose I think I found a bug. Enter the bug description. Click Send. Finally, see the submission confirmation. Logging out. For when you need a sanity break. On the dashboard, click the profile icon. Next, select Sign Out from the menu. Finally, you're at the sign-in page. That's Navattic, turning demo dread into done deals. Try it and thank us later.